नमस्ते सभी को। इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू नाउन्स इन हिंदी थ्रू इंग्लिश। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। सो in Hindi, nouns Hindi nouns can be divided into two categories based on their gender, like masculine and feminine. Like French and Spanish, Hindi has no neuter gender, so we have to pay special attention to the gender of nouns while learning Hindi. While making sentences, we have to pay attention. So for living beings, so marked masculine nouns, these nouns usually end with the vowel a. Ah, like kamara, kamara, kamra. There is a sound. Ladka, ladka, ladka. There is a sound. Tota, la, a sound. Juta. There is a sound. So marked masculine nouns ending with vowel a. Then now we will learn how do we change marked masculine nouns into its plural form. So a will change into a. A will change into a. Like for example, to make it plural, to make the plural, the ending a changes to a. For example, एक लड़का लड़का. Then it means दो लड़के लड़की. So K. You can hear the sound लड़का. There is a sound, and in लड़के there is a sound. So a will change into a. बेटा बेटा a sound. For plural, it will be bete, a sound. So ladka means one boy and ladke means more than one. Like it can be two, three, or more than. Or beta means one son, one beta. Or bete means more than one. Kamara, kamara. There is a sound, and to make it plural, it will be kamare. A sound will come. Now, let's learn unmarked masculine nouns. So, unmarked masculine nouns, these nouns end in consonant or a vowel other than a. Like they will not end at vowel a other than like except a, so it will end, or a consonant maybe. Like for example, ghar. So ghar is a consonant. It is not ending with vowel a. Kagaz, kagaz, z. Fall. There is a sound, not a sound. Sheher. There is a sound. So, how do we convert into plural form when they are not ending with a? Let's learn. Now, sheher. So it will be same in plural also. एक शहर, one city, तीन शहर. शहर will be शहर. So in plural form also it will be same. घर, तीन घर. Again घर will be same. एक आदमी, आदमी. तीन आदमी. So in when words masculine nouns do not end with vowel a, except a it will end, so it will same in plural form also. So I hope you get it. Now let's learn some notes. Now note 1. So some masculine nouns ending in a do not change in plural form. Like I told you ki when nouns ending with vowel a, we need to convert into a. But there are some nouns, there are exceptions. Some nouns are there that are not ending with vowel a, and we do not change in plural form. Like for example, raja. There is a sound, but we do not change into its plural form. Devta, a sound. Pita, pita. Cha, cha, a sound. Da, there is a sound. Ma, there is a sound. So again, in these words, there is a sound, but we will not change into its plural form to a. And a few masculine nouns ending with the nasalized vowel a keep the nasal sound in plural and change into a. Change into a, like ek कुआं. It will be चार कुएं. So a will change into a. So there are words again. There are few masculine nouns ending with the nasalized vowel. So we need to change into a. I hope you get it. If there is any doubt, you can comment. You can comment in the video. You can ask me any questions. I am here to help you. So please tell me if there is any doubt. Now let's do some exercise transformation drill. Transform the following singular nouns into plural. Now let's change singular nouns into plural nouns. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. First is कमरा, कमरा. Like we studied, a sound change into a. So कमरा will be कमरे, कमरे. Next is पैसा. पैसा, पैसा will be p, say. Again, a sound will change into a sound. A. Juta, there is a sound, so it will be jute, jute. Kela, la, so it will be kele, kele. There is a will be changed into a. Now santara, santara. Santara means orange, so it will be santare, santare. We need to put a matra. Now papita, papita means papaya. There is a sound, so it will be papite, papite. So now kapada, kapada. There is a sound. Kapada means cloth. So it will be kapade, kapade. Next is ladka, ladka. Ka, there is a sound. So ladka will be ladke, ladke. Darwaza, za. Darwaza will be darwaze, darwaze. Kutta. Kutta means dog and darwaza means gate. Kutta will be kutte. Ku, kutte. We need to put a matra. Mota. Mota will be mote. A will be changed into a. Again, so ladka will be ladke. Paisa will be paise. So I hope you like this video. If you like, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. धन्यवाद.